Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a ginger shot. And this ginger shot will last long for the whole entire week with just 3 simple ingredients, which is ginger, lemon and turmeric powder. And this ginger shot has a lot of benefits, which is have a powerful antioxidants, help with your indigestion and protect against your chronic diseases and improve a cardiovascular system. And also it's a perfect combination for boosting immunity during cold and flu season and keeping you feeling your best year around. So let's get into the video to see how to make this simple ginger shot. So for this recipe you need a handful of ginger, 2 big size lemons, a squeezer to squeeze the lemon, and a cup and a strainer. First, you have to thoroughly wash the ginger. It doesn't matter, some likes to peel the ginger skin, but I personally feel that there is like a lot of benefits to keep the ginger skin on. But make sure you wash the ginger, really rinse it very well. Like you just have to make sure there is no dirt. Some of the gingers, they have like some sand stick on it, but just make sure that you wash it thoroughly. Okay, now once it's done with the washing, just cut it in small pieces. Just a small medium-sized pieces. It depends to the blender, which type of blender that you are using. If you are using a small blender, I will recommend you to cut it in a very small pieces. If it's like regular blender, like the big one, you can cut it in medium size. Okay, now you can cut the lemon and you can use the squeezer to squeeze the lemon juice out. And this is the turmeric powder that I forget to mention in the ingredients before. So this is a turmeric powder, gluten-free and organic turmeric powder. And you also can use the real turmeric to add in the ingredients. So I couldn't find the turmeric, so I'm using the powder instead. And you can add about 1 tablespoon of this turmeric powder. There is no specific measurement for this recipe. Like you can add as much as you want. Like if you want to add more ginger, you're welcome to do so. If you want to add more ginger, lemon, you can do so. And like I'm doing this for the whole week, so it lasts for 1 week. So now time to blend all these ingredients. So you can use the juicer if you want. I'm using blender. So I'm going to blend this for 1 minute. I'm gonna show you how well it's blended. So it's well blended now. It's good. I'm going to strain the juice with the strainer in a cup, so you can just get the juice out and just strain it. And you have to do it for a couple of time until everything, like if you feel completely out, like there is no more juice in there. Okay, so I have done straining the juice, and I have like about 2 cups of the juice that I get, which is about 500 mils, and it will last long for a week, like maximum of 6 days.
Very good for the lungs, throat.
That's all from me today. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, and also don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.